I'm sorry. Can't, hold on. Let me do a walk and then I'm good. Hey y'all, it's Savannah here at Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're gonna check out this new floor plan of this 2027 Grand Design Momentum 28 MAV. We know you can probably find this camper anywhere else in America, but what you won't find is another Cookeville RV and Marine. We're family owned and operated. We have the best prices in the nation, and we have 4.8 stars on Google and over 1,400 reviews. Before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell button to make sure you get notified every time we post a video just like this one. On the entertainment side of your camper, you've got an awning that covers both entryways. The first entryway is to the private bedroom, and then the other one is to your living space. And then right beside me here, you've got an outlet so you can watch the game outside, and you've got a JBL Bluetooth speaker system that goes inside and outside. And that's not all. You've also got an outdoor kitchen with a griddle and a mini fridge, so you have easy access to get those drinks while you're watching the game. Now let's check out that storage. In the front of your camper, you have your pass-through storage area, which has the same flooring as inside, so it's going to be durable and really easy to clean up. This area you can use for anything outside, like your hoses, your rugs, your lawn chairs. And one thing I also want to mention is that it has 2 lights, so if you're having to set up at late at night and it's too dark, you're still going to be able to see. And on your side, you're going to see the convenience bay, which has the battery and solar disconnect, and it has all of the hookups you're going to need when you get to the campground. Now let's go check out the inside. When you first walk in, you'll notice your JBL Bluetooth speaker system and your control panel, which is just used to manage your slide, your awning, and your bed system, which we'll show you more of that later. And you're also able to see your tank levels. And right below, you'll see 2 pretty heavy-duty hooks, which you could put your coats, your jackets, your purses, keys, anything like that you need. And right below, there is a cabinet, and it has lots of storage, and you could put your shoes or buckets or towels if you're going to the beach, anything like that. And let's check out these bunks. Right next to your entryway, you've got your bunk area, and you've got 2 Happy Jack bunks. And honestly, I'm 5'10", and there's plenty of room. You could fit 2 people on top, super comfy. And not only is this a bunk area, but this also converts into a garage area, which we'll show you more of that later. Now, let's check out that bathroom. And in your bathroom, I need you guys to notice how tall these ceilings are, okay? I'm 5'10", again, like I just said, and I can barely touch the ceiling. So if you're tall, you're not gonna have a problem in this bathroom. And right over here, you've got a mirror front medicine cabinet with plenty of space for your toothbrush, toothpaste, makeup, anything like that. You've got your sink, and then right below there's even more storage for cleaning supplies, toilet paper, towels, anything like that. And also, I can't forget that you have an outlet, so you'll be able to do your hair early in the morning. Also in your bathroom, you've got a porcelain foot flush toilet, and right next to the toilet, you've got your shower, and she's really roomy. And she has a squeegee door to keep the water in so it's not going all over the floor. And like I said before, the ceilings are really tall, and it also has an added skylight, so you're going to have plenty of room. Now let's check out that living space. In your living area, you have comfy theater seats that recline and have cup holders. And back here, you have huge windows, so you're going to be able to see all those great campground views. Now let's check out that entertainment system. And right across from those theater seats, you've got your TV and a mantle with tons of storage, okay? What I love about this mantle is you'll be able to put pictures of those grandkids or the family members. And you could even put a bowl right here for those keys, because I'm always losing those keys, but I won't be losing them if they're right by the door, okay? And right here with this storage, you could put books, games, candles, anything you can imagine. There's also that fireplace. And right up top, there's even more storage, and it's divided, so you'll be able to separate things a lot easier. And there's tons of storage. It goes all the way to the back wall, so there's plenty of room. And guys, that's not just all. And guys, back here, there's even more storage, okay? You could put your game systems, your Apple TV, blankets, pillows, pretty much anything you could ever imagine, okay? And what I really love about it is that it's hidden behind this TV, so no one is ever gonna know that it's actually there. Now, let's check out this kitchen. And in your kitchen, one thing I want you to notice is that it's a full-size kitchen. Sometimes when you're looking at other floor plans or other toy haulers, you're not gonna have a full-size kitchen, but this one, it's not a problem. You've got tons of storage for those pots and pans, the cups, plates, anything you need for serving. Right down here is a full sink, and it's really spacious, so it's not gonna be, you won't have dishes piling up everywhere. Right above, you've got the built-in paper towel holder. You've got 2 separate outlets for any of those appliances, like the air fryer, coffee maker, the blender. Talking about appliances, you've got them right over here. So you've got a 3-burner stovetop with a splash guard and a microwave right below. And over here, you've got 3 full-size drawers, which is pretty awesome for even more kitchen storage. Right above, there's even a space for those sponges or towels, anything like that. And right here, this is what I really love. It's actually a hidden trash can, okay? So you're able to hide it. Nobody's gonna be seeing your trash laying around. It's not gonna make the place stink. It's not gonna be falling over, anything like that. It won't be in your way. Now let's check out this fridge. And in your fridge, you've got plenty of space, okay? You'll be able to fit all the ice, your popsicles, ice cream, frozen dinners. Right below in your fridge, you can fit those fun drinks, fruits and veggies. There's plenty of room for anything you need, okay? And right above, you've got plenty of storage, and it can be used as a pantry for those canned goods, the cereal, or it could even be used for those like bigger appliances. Now let's check out your dinette. You've got a U-shaped dinette, which has plenty of room to play cards, hang out with your buddies, or even eat dinner. And if you need to do work on the road, it's not going to be a problem because there's an outlet right here, so you'll be able to plug up anything you need. And if those bunks weren't enough room for all those kiddos, don't worry, because this also converts into another bed. So you're going to have even more room for those kiddos, okay? And right below me and on the other side, there's even more storage. You'll be able to put more blankets, pillows. Not gonna be a problem. Now let's check out your bedroom. In the front of your camper, you've got your private bedroom with the queen size bed, and it has tons of closet space, okay? You have a his and hers closet with a hanging rod, and right above, you've got plenty of space for any of those folded items, and right below, there's a pull-out drawer for any of those easy access items that you might need. Right behind me, there's bedroom nooks so you can charge your phone, your tablet, or even use that CPAP machine if you need to. And one feature that I love is that you have your own private entryway, okay? Now guys, I told you we were gonna check out this garage area. These Happy Jack bunks raise up, giving you a 10-foot, 5-inch garage space. Now follow me and I'll show you my favorite feature of this garage. This is the perfect party patio. Not only is this the ramp to get those bikes or four-wheelers into that garage, but this is the perfect hangout for all of those campground activities. They've added a bug screen, so there's no bugs getting inside while you're hanging out. And one thing I really love that they've added is this area right here, okay? This could be used as a coffee bar, a margarita station, anything you might need while you're hanging out here. It has storage up top, on the bottom, and there's even an outlet so you can use any appliance out here as well. So if you're loving this momentum or any other momentum on the Grand Design line, make sure to give us a call, shoot us a text, or even check us out online at cookevilleRV.com where your adventure awaits.